The Tuff Nut series is practical, resilient and distinct. A go-to duffel bag for exploration, daily travels or storing your kit. Originally designed for our mates who spend a lot of time in Antarctica. Available in 3 sizes, a 40-litre carry-on, a classic 70-litre size and a 90-litre expedition level option. All the materials have been chosen for functionality and longevity. The Tuff body is made from waterproof truck-tarp. The base is reinforced with 750 denier CORDURA nylon. We utilise a chunky number 10 YKK zipper on the main pocket. Seatbelt webbing is used for the whole loops and carry handles. The super durable construction is joined by functional features. One end has a clear identification pocket. There is bar-tacked daisy chain webbing on the sides. We've engineered custom machinery to ensure the zipper pull tabs hold fast. The door-style opening gives you quick and full access. Inside, you'll find a spacious main compartment and a zippered pocket to organise smaller items. Taking a note from our backpack harnesses, the main straps are triple density and edge-bound. They are genuinely designed to be used and to be comfortable. They can be configured as a grab handle, set up as a backpack, or removed completely. The grab handle is best set up when clipped in to the side. For longer hauls, the straps can be clipped to the end and the side to create a comfortable backpack. Made right here in Melbourne, the Tuff Nut series lives life to the fullest, in a perpetual state of being unpacked and repacked, ready to join the next adventure.